AI video tools are everywhere right now, but let's be honest, most of them look good only in demos. When you actually try to control motions, faces, or audios, everything breaks. But today, I'm going to show you something very different. So, today I'm going to introduce you to Higgsfield, a platform that feels like an AI tool that more like a mini film studio. Inside Higgsfield, we are going to explore some of the most beast AI models available right now, like Click 2.6 Audio, Nano Banana Pro, and Cinema Studio. So we will explore everything one by one. So today I'll show you how I generate cinematic AI videos step by step using Higgsfield live on screen with real prompts. No theory, no fake examples, everything practical. So first of all, what is Higgsfield? So as I have been said before many times, Higgsfield is an AI video generation platform built specifically for creators. Instead of random outputs, Higgsfield focuses on cinematic control over visuals, camera motions, audio, framing, or consistency. In simple words, if you describe a scene, choosing the right model and Higgsfield turns into a film-like shot. No film expenses, anything. You just have to think about it, and you just have to enter the prompt, and kudos. Higgsfield definitely turns into a film-like shot. That's why filmmakers, YouTubers, and AI creators are shifting to this platform. So I'll tell you everything one by one. So first of all, we will head to the Nano Banana Pro firstly. Okay, we will click on the image tab, or we will try to create video or edit or whatever we want to do. As you can see, here it is in the image tab. We have Nano Banana Pro. We will click on this. As you can see, there is some temporary issue. We will tackle this later. So Nano Banana Pro is Higgsfield's high quality image generation model. This model is used when you want clean production ready visuals, the kind of frames you can actually use in films, thumbnails, or cinematic videos. So what it does best? Ultra sharp 1K, 2K, 4K images, realistic faces and skin texture, strong lighting and depth, text, logos and details still readable and very good quality, perfect for first frames and cinematic shots. Even if you are going to create a cinematic shot, then first thing you just need is the first frame, that how everything will look. Okay, we will tell you the live demo here. So we are here. We will create a perfect shot. For an example, we will paste this prompt right here, as you can see, or we will click the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio would be 16:9, is the best ratio ever. We will set the quality according to need, but 1K would be best because it will take a little much more time, and that would be a batch size and unlimited and draw and everything. We will set up all the things and we will click on the generate button, and it is generating and we are in a queue. I'll directly show you the perfect output we will get. As you can see here, it has been written that Nano Banana Pro is affected by Google's infrastructure because it is a temporary issue, because the Nano Banana Pro model is owned by Google. So generation may fail due to Google's NSFW moderation system. Automatic reference will be applied, but still we will get our output, I guess. Let's see. We are in a progress. Introduce here 3 different models. The first one is Nano Banana Pro, and the second one would be Kling 2.6 Audio. Even earlier I have discussed about it in my previous video, but still I'll make you guys know that what is Kling 2.6 Audio and how to use that and what is the benefit of it. See, we got our output. Even though with the temporary issue we got our output, and see how realistic it is looking. Notice the lighting on the face, and even notice the depth and sharpness. This looks like a real movie still, not an AI art, but it is looking like a still shot by a camera with particular studio style. Artistic. That's why Nano Banana Pro is perfect when you want cinematic quality images. Imagine we have to move this kind of thing, then we have the first image of our cinematic studio shot. Okay, so we will move forward. We'll click on the download button, and we can even animate this from right here, but we will do this one by one because we are discussing the models and how to use them, what are the benefits of it. Okay, let's move further. So whenever we will click on the video button, video tab, we will head to the Kling 2.6 cinematic videos with audio. We will click on this. Now you can see the whole scenario over here. You can get video. You just have to follow the simple style. You just have to add the image. What are the motion you want on that particular image, and everything will be done by them. Okay, so Kling 2.6 audio is a multimodal video model, and that means it generates video, voice, and ambience together in one single prompt. No separate voiceover, no sound effect, no design later. Everything will be owned by them. So the question put up, everyone, the question is, what Kling 2.6 audio does best? The video plus voice in one generation. You just don't have to bother for SFX sound effects for that particular video. Everything will be done by Kling 2.6 audio. Clean lip sync, and even though those lip sync will be so accurate and you won't even realize the video have been generated from AI. Smooth camera motion, emotional tone control, and the video quality would be 1080p video quality for now, and it will be done better later. So we will copy the prompt and we will paste it directly into here. We will click on the image have been uploaded by Nano Banana Pro. Let's see, we have been saved this like here, and we will okay, I agree and continue. Let's see, we will place the prompt over here. It is uploading, and we want audio. Yes, actually we want the audio as well. What is the model of our AI? The model would be Kling 2.6, and the duration would be 5 seconds or 10 seconds. We will click on the 5 second because we want the output as soon as possible. The aspect ratio would be 16:9, as I said. Okay, we will click on the generate button and we will wait because it will take some little bit more time as compared to the Nano Banana Pro, because it is video, all the setup and everything takes time. So yeah. Okay, we can see the output have been in front of us.
Every great story begins with a single frame. Every great story begins with a single frame.
Look, the image we have, as you can see, the image we have been uploaded, it is exactly the same. The setup and everything, the lightings and everything, the features are same. Okay, I mean, look at the lip sync, look at the camera movement, and even though the audio already matches the scene, this is the perfect for storytelling, reels, YouTube intros, and short films. Okay, so let's move to the next video platform. Here it is, the dedicated tab is Cinema Studio. We will click on this tab and we will directly redirect to the Cinema Studio, and look at this image. You won't even realize this whole scene is generated by AI, and this is looking so professional. So this is where Higgsfield becomes really powerful. Cinema Studio is an end-to-end filmmaking workflow. You don't jump between tools, everything happens in one place. So what Cinema Studio does? Text, image, video pipeline. I mean, you just have to click on the prompt and it will generate everything by its own. The more details you will give them, the more depth and everything would be clear in your output. Lock camera and lens styles, maintain visual consistency, and cinematic framing and composition, film trained and aesthetics. Okay, so I'll tell you the live demo. First, I'll generate a cinematic image, then I converted that exact frame into a video. Then the lighting, mood, and style stay consistent. This feels like a directed scene, not guessing with AI. Okay, let's start. We will just look out the example. Look out with example. We will attach the images like the image we have been generated like this. We will upload it for better quality, and we can even upload the video as well, but we will only give the image here. Okay, let's generate. I don't know the image have been uploaded or not. We will see it later, but it is in progress. We will see everything later. So till then we have generated this. How to choose the right model? Nano Banana Pro, best for cinematic images. Kling 2.6 audio, best for talking scenes with voice. Cinema Studio, best for full film workflow. Even you have to generate a fake cinematic film, you can even generate with the help of Cinema Studio. So always choose the model based upon your goal. What is the goal of your generation? I mean, if you want to create the image, the Nano Banana Pro is the best ever model for image creation. Kling 2.6 audio is best for video generation, talking scenes and everything with voice, and even though Cinema Studio is best for film workflow. I hope you got my point. Okay, so Higgsfield isn't just another AI video generator, it's a creator focused platform where you can actually control the shot. And if you are serious about cinematic AI videos, this is definitely a tool where you should try. So we have our output. You just have to look into this. I mean, look at the output. The details and everything looking is so realistic. You can animate this by using clicking on this, and it will animate later. Okay. Links are in the description. You should check my description for the links and the pinned comments. I'll see you in the next video. If you have any doubt and everything, you just have to drop it in my comments. I'll see you next time. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.